Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today said Imphal East will soon have a dedicated DC office and a dedicated fire service substation. He was attending a meeting of Sri Sri Govindaji Temple Board at Govindaji Temple in Palace Compound in Imphal East. Biren is the chairman of Sri Sri Govindaji Temple Board. The meeting's main agenda was to discuss pros and cons of the upcoming Holi festival and standard operating procedure SOP to be followed during Holi celebration at the temple. Exclusively speaking to TOMTV after the meeting, Chief Minister Biren said the government will soon arrange a dedicated DC and a dedicated fire service substation for Imphal East soon.
Imphal East ki oiba fire service or DC office ano was hanan na bagi tasing badi hojiki jenims ki lady se ko Imphal East ki office hanan na bagi building su matik ama jenims from the prison grabani adubu hada koina ano bolam identify tawre DC office Imphal East ki sarani similarly ko Imphal West lady ba Imphal West highway wani Imphal West ka takina tre Manipuri pumbagi ni sa lady ba fire service idi and for the time being I ima kaithel ni nong pan ma khudingi ima kaithel je luna nana thambaina suti laukthok pane ana I Govindaji temple gi su madu mayam lakpa khotpa sida motion ma khosan basi laitana at least thamada tarik 1 se masi amkan luna an bagi seng 200 dana hojiki Imphal East ki da leiriba fire tender oiro Imphal West ki da leiriba oiro senaraga for the time being tawkhini aduga Imphal nangna khangningi ba hangbirei do Imphal East ki oina tongana khoi soidana thammani ena da mainai thamjage